This is not just a bulldozer. This is a land-shaping monster. A machine so powerful it can move mountains of earth in seconds. And right now, it is opening a massive mining ramp in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Stay with this, because what you are about to see is raw industrial power at its peak. High above the ground, an aerial view reveals the scale. Endless layers of rock, massive excavation cuts, and at the center, the Caterpillar D9T. This is not construction. This is controlled destruction. Every movement reshapes the Earth. The D9T pushes forward, blade down, full force engaged. Rock, soil, and debris collapse instantly under its weight. This machine produces thousands of horsepower, designed for one purpose: dominance over terrain. In mining operations like this, hesitation is not an option. Inside the cab, precision is everything. The operator doesn't just drive, he commands a 50-ton system with millimeter control. One wrong move, and the entire ramp structure can collapse. This is where skill meets danger. But here's what makes this even more intense. This ramp is not just being open, it is being engineered in real time. Every pass changes the future path of heavy haul trucks that will follow. The D9T is built with advanced hydraulics and reinforced undercarriage systems. Its blade pressure can move dense rock like it's sand. This is engineering designed for the harshest mining conditions on the planet. And yet, it moves with surprising control. Dust fills the air, visibility drops, the ground is unstable, unpredictable, dangerous, but operations continue without pause. Because in mining, time equals money, and delay is not allowed. Look again at the aerial shot. The machine looks small compared to the vast mining site, but in reality, it is the force that shapes the entire landscape. Without it, nothing here moves forward. The bulldozer turns. Adjusts and pushes again. Each movement is calculated. Each pass deepens the ramp structure. This is not random work. It is precision earth engineering. Now the pressure increases. The slope becomes sharper. The resistance grows stronger. Yet the D9T keeps pushing, unstoppable, relentless. This is where weaker machines fail, but not this one. The ramp begins to take shape. A future highway for massive mining trucks is being created right now. What looks like chaos from above is actually perfect industrial design. And here's the truth. This is just one pass, one machine, one moment in a massive mining operation. But without machines like this, modern mining would not exist. The question is, how far can human engineering push machines like this in the future? This is power, precision, and raw industrial dominance.